friends, how are you all? So students, as we are learning Taekwondo since 3 or 4 or maybe more than sessions. So as I told you earlier also, Taekwondo is the game of Korea. Just because of that, mostly terms which we are using in Taekwondo are Korean. So let me share these informations with you. Students, as you people are doing stanities or attention. Stanities, this position is stanities. So students, this position in Korea, this is called as Shariat. Let me more clear with my words. It's called Shariat. Now, attention. Attention is called Khungre. Khungre. Again I am repeating, Khungre. And after doing this, we are going at 60 degree and saying Taekwon. Taekwon. It's coming from Taekwondo. It is Taekwon. By doing this, we are giving respect to the coach or to the sports person who is sharing his or her knowledge with us. Now comes to second one. I taught you basic punches of Taekwondo. But do you all know what punch is called in Korean? It's little interesting to you know. It's called maki. Maki. Again I am repeating, maki. Now again next thing, we learned basic punch, which we comes to know punch is called maki. Now we learned kicks also. What kicks are called? Kicks are called chagi. I taught you of chagi, kick number 2, which was kick number 2. Up chagi I told you na. So the next portion of the kick means chagi. We are calling chagi as kick in Korean. Now comes to another one. The area of field, the field area in which Taekwondo is played, that is called arena, and whose measurement is 8 by 8. 8 by 8 meters. Now, in Taekwondo, 2 players of different team each, one player from one team and one player from another team, they participate positively together to achieve the medal or prize. So they get differentiated by their chest guards. One used to wear blue chest guard and another one is wearing red chest guard. So the person who is wearing red chest guard will be Hung. Again I am repeating, Hung. H-U-N-G. Hung. And the blue chest guard person will be called as Chung. C-H-U-N-G. Chung. And there used to be a command by a referee with the position like this and this. He called Sizak. This is the command on which you have to start fighting. On which participants actually starts fighting by following all the rules and regulations. And at that time, when referee will give the instructions of Khalyat, the position of referee will be this, Khalyat, Khalyat. This is the time when you have to stop fighting. Now, the time when referee is giving Khingo, Khingo, K-H-I-N-G-O, Khingo to you. It means he or she is deducting your points because you committed any mistake or you didn't follow any rule. And the action of referee will be this: Chung! Kingo! Or if you are hung, then hung! Kingo! So these were some informations which I would want to share you. That's all for today's session. I hope you all find this session interesting. Take care everyone. Bye bye. And I'll be asking few questions in response group. And I want everyone's reply on the response group. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.